Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to study again decimal word problems. Okay, let's start. So number one, we have 4 questions. Okay, and number one, a bag of fruits weighs 0.96 kilograms. The bag of fruits weighs 3 times as much as a bag of nuts. How much does the bag of nuts weigh? Okay, so we have two kinds of uh, fruits here, bags of fruits and bags of nuts. So two kinds of bags. Okay, so it says that the bag of fruits weighs 0.96. It is 3 times. It weighs 3 times. It says bag of fruits weighs 3 times. So let us draw a model that this one is 3 times. Okay, so 3 times. So one, we just copy this. 2, 3. Okay, it says that the bag of fruits is 3 times, so I'll make this as F. Okay, for me to know that, oh, this one is for fruits. Okay, and how about the bag of nuts? Since the bag of fruits is 3 times, so the bag of nuts is just one box like this. So this one is the nuts. Okay, so what can we say about the bag of fruits? So it weighs 0.96 kilograms. So we're going to put this bracket here on top of the fruits. Okay, our space is too small. So I'll just, hopefully I can move it down. Oh no. Somewhere here. Okay, I think that's better. Just need to remove this, no border. Okay, so still we have the bag of fruits and the bag of nuts. Then it says that the bag of fruits is 3 times as much as the bag of nuts. So the mass of the bag of fruits is 0.96. So we'll write here is 0.96 kilograms. Now as you can see here that the bag of nuts has only one unit, right? Unlike here, this one is 3. So how do we get this 1 unit? This one is 1, 2, 3. The total of 3 is 0.96. And we're looking for the bag of nuts. So this one, we don't know this one. Okay, so that's why it's question mark. So how do we find this? So we know that this 3, the total is 0.96. Okay, so we have to, all right, so we need to divide. Okay, so 0.96 divided by 3. So I just use this sign to show that this one is division. Okay, it's the same. Divided by 3 is equal to blank. So this one is the number sentence. Okay, now how do we do the working? So for our working, okay, 0.96, 0.96. Okay. Why there's a line here? Okay, just ignore this line, or we need to move it to the other side here. Okay, 0.96 divided by 3. So divided by 3, top, and then border divided by 3. So divided 1 by 1, so 0 divided by 3 is 0, then this is 0, then decimal point. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, so just leave it there. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 9 minus 9 is 0, so nothing left. Bring down 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay? 2 times 3 is 6. So subtract, the answer is 0, nothing left. So that means the answer here is 0.32. What is our unit? We're looking for the weight, right? The mass of the bag of nuts. So 0.32 kilograms. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. Lisa spent $15.75. She spent $42.15 less than Athena. So how much did Athena spend? So this problem, it tells us that um, Lisa spent less than Athena by $42.15. So let's draw the model for Lisa. So this one is for Lisa, and this one is for Athena. Okay, so Lisa, so let's say this for Lisa, the model for Lisa. Okay, how much? So we're going to put there the amount inside $15.75. Okay, or you can use this bracket to put on top and then write $15.75. It's the same, no problem. Okay, so she spent $42.15 less than Athena. Okay, so this one is less by $15, $42.15. So let's use this. Uh, who has less? It says Lisa, right? So we'll put here Lisa. Okay. So how much less? We'll put here. And then, right, $42.15. So that means Athena is from here until here. Okay. I just need to, yeah, Athena. Okay. So this part, when we put it down, it will be until here. So that's $15.75. And this part is $42.15. So how much did Athena spend? So this one, we need to find this. Okay. This one, we're looking for Athena. This one. Okay. So again, so this part is the same as here. $15.75. Okay, let me see. Show it to you. Okay, this one is the same as $15.75 here. Okay, so just put the dollar sign. And then you see this one is 42 from here until here. So this one is $42.15. Okay, so we put this together to find Athena. Okay, this one is question mark. We don't know yet, so that's what we're going to find out. Okay, so we add both of them. Okay, so $15.75 plus $42.15. Okay, that's our number sentence. Okay, for the working, let's do it. Let's solve it. So $15.75 plus, oh, sorry, plus $42.15. Okay, so let's add. So 5 and 5 is 0. Regroup. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then decimal point. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that means Athena spent $57.90. So $57.90. Okay. Okay, make sure that you have the zero at the end because we're talking about money here. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, number 3. So Carol measured a whiteboard with her handspan. Okay, so her handspan was 12.4 centimeter long and the whiteboard measured 5 handspans. What was the length of the whiteboard? So let's say, oh, just already here. Okay, let me erase it first. Okay, okay. So it says handspan, right? She measured the whiteboard using her handspan. So let's say this one is the handspan. Okay, handspan. So one handspan, it says, okay, measured 5 handspans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So her handspan was 12.4 centimeter long. So 12.4 centimeters. Okay, so the unit cannot see, so I just remove the unit here. Okay, but we know that this one is the length of her handspan, which is 12.4 centimeters. And this one, because she used her handspan to measure the whiteboard, so 5 handspans, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the length of the whiteboard? Okay, so that's the length of the whiteboard. Here. Okay, so how do we find this? The length of the whiteboard. Okay, so we need to, what do you mean by this long line? Long bracket, we put them together. Okay, so that means 12.4, multiply it by 5. Okay, so we don't know yet. That's the time that we will use the working. We'll do the working. Okay, so 12.4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20. Regroup, put 2 in the ones place. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Oh, don't forget the decimal, yeah? 12 regroup. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 62 centimeters. Okay, 62 centimeters. Okay. Make sure you write the correct unit. Our unit is cm. Okay. You might ask me, is it the same as 62.0 or 62 centimeters? They are the same. Okay. Or, okay, right here. If your answer is just 62, they are equal. Okay, this one doesn't have any value. Okay, the only thing that you need to write the zero if you are required to write, write your answer with one decimal place. Okay, so you write the zero, even if it's zero. Okay, if it's money, of course, 2 decimal places, so you have to add additional zero. Okay, next. Question number 4. Okay. A full marathon is $42. Sorry. A full marathon is 42.20 kilometers or 42.2 kilometers. Page 1 has completed 27.6 kilometers. How much more distance does she have to cover? Okay. So let's say this is the full marathon. Full marathon. So he has to travel from here until here. Okay, so I will write start S and then end. Okay, please draw the model to help you. Okay, so this one is the full mark is 42.20. Okay, I will put this here. Okay, so our space is not enough here. So instead of writing the 42, 0.20 here, so I just put it inside, okay? But, okay, just put it down. It's better to put it down. Just put it down. Put it down. Can't holding back anymore. Okay, so this one is our bracket. Just copy and then paste. Alright. Then let's write the distance, which is 42.20 kilometers. Need more space. Okay, so page 1 has completed 27.6. So let's say from here until here is 27.6 kilometers. So we traveled this far already. Okay, again, a full marathon is 42.20 from here until here. No, page 1 has traveled from here until here only. So this one, we don't know yet. He has to travel this right here. She has to cover this part. Okay, so we don't know. So we put question mark. So this one is only one step word problem. So how do we find this part? Okay, it's like number bond. Okay, so we need to add or subtract. Okay, we need to subtract. So we have 42.20 minus 27.6 is equal to, that's the time that we need to figure it out. Okay, so it's okay not to write 0 here because you only have one decimal here also. So let's try. Let's figure it out. So 42.2 minus 27.6. Okay, in the original number, it has 0, right? But the 6 doesn't have 0, so just remove the 0 then because you have nothing to subtract here. We don't need that, so delete. Okay, and let's subtract. So 2 minus 6, we cannot subtract 6 from 2, so we need to regroup this 2. Okay, so this becomes 1. Okay, and then we have to exchange the value of the 1 that we take away from here. Okay, so 1 is equal to 10 tenths. So this becomes 12. Okay, so 12 minus 6 is 6. And then subtract 1 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from 1, so we have to regroup again the 4 and 1. So this one, we have to make 4, 3. We have to take 1 from 4, and then we need to add 1 on the 1's place. So this becomes 11. Okay, so 11 minus 7 is, oh, got the decimal point. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 14.6 kilometers. 14.6 or 14.60, they are the same. Okay, so there you have it. We finished the let's practice. Okay, so I'll be seeing you again tomorrow or the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe and uh, click the notification bell for more videos. Okay? Bye-bye.